In this little tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a door which can be opened by inputting the right password. So first thing we need is a little house which you can access. Then I like to put this black thing here, this black square, to so if a door gets opened, it doesn't look like you're running into a wall after you opened it. And to get rid of those little lines here, we can simply select this tile, hold down Shift, and click the left mouse button. So you see the lines disappeared. So the next thing we need is a door. So create a new event, call it door. Select an image for the door. I will take this one. And now we simply need the input number and we store that number into a variable. So I already called this one password, so I select this and it should be 6 digits long. And this happens if we press the action button when we are staying in front of a door. So now we only need to check if the password is the right one. So we choose our password variable and check if it's set to, let's say, 224466. So if this is entered, then the door should get opened. We create an else branch, so every time a wrong password is entered, we could show a message or something like this. And now we hit OK. So first we could do what happens if a password is wrong. So we simply show a message which says wrong password. And here we simply give a message that right password, and after that we set a safe switch to on, and on the next page we show an open door like this one, and use the safe switch if, so here it gets set to true or on, and here we check if A is on, then this page should be used. So here we set it to player touch, and here we can set our event, so we can transfer our player like he's walking through the door. So I edit it, so I could simply say he should appear here if he walks through that door. And I guess that's it already. So we can check it if it works, and let's see what happens. So we run through to the door, hit the action button. If we enter the wrong password, it says wrong password. If we enter the right password, which was this, it said it's the right password, and the door gets opened. And now we can just walk to it and yeah, get teleported. And that's already it.